Good morning, Basking Ridge. I just wanted to pop on today and let you know which houses I have open this afternoon. It is Sunday, it's open house day. I have 333 Mount Airy Road. That will be open from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. Peter Moran will be sitting there. He'll be able to answer all of your questions. This house has just had a price reduction, so at 470,000, we are absolutely getting the attention that we deserve and need in order to get this house sold. So definitely make a time to come on over and see that property. Jerry Light and I will also be at 16 Post Terrace, which is a 4 bedroom, 2.5 bath Center Colonial. It came on the market on Thursday. It's a great opportunity for somebody who's looking to purchase a home and really put their own mark on it, make it their own home, with a little bit of updating that property does need. Great house, good bones, relatively new furnace, air conditioner. So in that regard, you've got some high efficiency things going on there that you can work with. We'll be at that property starting at 1 p.m. So that'll go from 1 p.m. until 4 p.m. So I do hope to see somebody today. Make sure you tell me that you watched my video this morning. And yeah, we'll talk soon. Have a great day.